Hello and welcome to Digital Thakur, the YouTube channel that brings you the latest in AI powered marketing. In today's video, we will be discussing how you can use AI to optimize your PPC campaign. PPC or pay-per-click advertising is one of the most effective way to drive traffic to your website. But without proper optimization, it can be a costly affair. But don't worry, with AI you can not only reduce the cost but also increase the conversion rate and revenue. What is PPC? Pay-per-click is an online advertising model used to drive traffic to websites in which advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. PPC campaigns are an effective way to reach potential customers and generate leads. Why use AI for PPC campaigns? Before we dive into how you can use AI to optimize your PPC campaigns, let's first understand why AI is crucial for PPC campaigns. The answer is simple. AI can analyze vast amount of data in a short time, something that a human cannot do. By analyzing data such as user behavior, keywords, and ad performance, AI algorithms can identify patterns and optimize your campaign accordingly. This leads to better targeting, increased click-through rates, and ultimately higher conversions. Now, we'll see how to use AI for PPC campaigns. Now that we understand the importance of AI in PPC campaigns, let's see how we can use it. There are three primary ways you can use AI for PPC campaigns: bid management, ad copy optimization, and audience targeting. Bid management is one of the most critical aspects of PPC campaigns, and AI can help you with that. AI algorithms can analyze historical data and real-time data to determine the optimal bid for your each keyword. This means that you can save money on irrelevant clicks while ensuring that your ads reach the right audience. Ad copy optimization. Ad copy optimization is another essential aspect of PPC campaigns, and AI can help you with that too. By analyzing the performance of your ads, AI algorithms can suggest changes to the ad copy such as headline, description, and call to action. This can increase click-through rates, which can lead to higher conversions. Audience targeting. Audience targeting is the last but not the least way in which you can use AI for PPC campaigns. AI algorithms can analyze user behavior data to identify the characteristics of your target audience. This means that you can target your ad to people who are more likely to convert, resulting in higher conversion rates and lower cost per conversion. Ad testing. AI can help you test different ad variations by analyzing user engagement and conversion rate data. In conclusion, AI can help you optimize your PPC campaigns by analyzing vast amount of data and identifying patterns. This leads to better targeting, increased click-through rates, and ultimately higher conversions. There are several AI-powered tools available that can help in optimizing pay-per-click campaigns. Here are some examples. AdX AI. AdX is an AI-powered digital advertising tool that uses machine learning to optimize PPC campaign in real time. It automatically adjusts bids, targeting, and ad creatives to improve performance. Ad Espresso. Ad Espresso is an AI-powered tool that automates ad creation and optimization for social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. It uses machine learning to identify the best audience targeting and ad creatives to improve performance. These AI-powered tools can help businesses save time and improve the effectiveness of their PPC campaign by automating routine tasks and providing data-driven optimization recommendations. Thank you for watching video on Digital Thakur. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on AI powered marketing.